Good morning, and welcome to the Mid-America Regional Council's local officials briefing for Friday, April 17th. I'm Mike Parker, and I will be presenting today on behalf of the Mid-America Regional Council. Should you have any questions during the briefing, please add them to the comments section of the video, and we will do our best to respond in a future briefing. The KC Regional COVID-19 Resource Hub is now publicly available at preparemetrokc.org. The Resource Hub is updated daily with the most current information on COVID-19 cases, tests, and deaths as reported by the 9 counties in our region and Kansas City, Missouri. Based on current projections, the peak of infection and resource requirements for the state of Kansas is April 29th, that's 12 days from now. And for the state of Missouri is April 28th, 11 days from now. Our source for predictions is the Institute of Health and Metrics Evaluation, the IMHE, at the University of Washington in Seattle. This is the best information for today, and the situation can rapidly change. Today, there are 1,610 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the region and 86 deaths. This represents an increase of 69 cases and 8 deaths over the past 24 hours. The number of people tested in the region rose to 6,029, but numbers are incomplete since not all counties are reporting. On Tuesday, the Multi-Agency Coordination Group met to discuss our collaborative response efforts now and into the future. The MAC group is a multidisciplined and multi-jurisdictional representative group that's organized to improve communication across the 9-county region. Members of the group discussed indicators that would lead to recommendations for loosening of social distancing measures. In addition, they were presented with 4 lines of effort which describe broad areas where we will focus our energy throughout the community. Save lives, protect the population, cooperate and coordinate, and plan for the longer-term recovery. We are tracking the status of 7 lifelines throughout the region. As you can see, lifelines represent the essential services provided throughout our community. The status of all 7 lifelines throughout the region is green, but are hampered by a shortage of personal protective equipment, PPE, where the consumption rate is exceeding the supply rate throughout the region. Otherwise, all lifelines are functioning as required with no mission essential shortages of personnel, equipment, or supplies forecast for the next 48 hours. The weather forecasted for the next 48 should not have any impact on our response operations. Now I will provide a brief update on supporting functions and disciplines. ESF 8, Public Health and Medical Services. Kansas Governor Kelly and Missouri Governor Parson extended the statewide stay-at-home orders through May 3rd, but left flexibility for local jurisdictions to enact stricter regulations. Regional public health directors recommended extending stay-at-home orders through May 15th with consideration for flexibility, which could include rolling back or extending further based on additional data collected over the next few weeks. Mayor Quentin Lucas issued an extension for Kansas City, Missouri through May 15th, as did County Executive Frank White for Jackson County, Missouri. Johnson County, Kansas opted to maintain closures through May 3rd before deciding if a longer extension is necessary. Other jurisdictions may be considering local action over the next few days. The Multi-Agency Coordination Group is working with public health leaders and other disciplines on strategies for relaxing stay-at-home requirements as soon as prudent with a measured approach. Essential factors include widespread testing available for symptomatic individuals, access to personal protective equipment, and robust contact tracing capability. ESF 7, Resources Support. Efforts are underway to coordinate a regional purchase of PPE. An invitation for bid went out on April 11th, and responses are due by April 17th. ESF 15, Emergency Public Communications. Regional coordination continues to reinforce the stay-at-home KC message with 3 simple phrases. Stay safe, protect us so we can protect you. Stay strong, be informed, be positive, and stay home. It takes all of us to get through this together. Regional public information officers are coordinating to reinforce this message in the light of extended stay-at-home orders. And that concludes the update on supporting functions and disciplines. In closing, we remind you that we're posting these periodic briefings on the Prepare Metro KC YouTube channel. Please subscribe to the channel and sign up for alerts to receive notification of future briefings. We will monitor comments posted to the briefing videos for questions that we can answer in future briefings. Thank you for your attention. This concludes our briefing.